Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best creepers that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the ProLift C9100. ProLift C9100 has a 2-in-1 design in which you can fold the unit into a Z shape to form a mechanic seat or stretch it out to form the creeper, making it very versatile. This versatility is what makes it our best overall model. Apart from this, the creeper is also very comfortable because it is thickly padded on both the seat and header, which means you get to have an easier time under your car and a comfortable seat as you repair the sides of the car. Next up is the Lyle 97102. This creeper stands out due to its low profile design, in which it only has 7/8 inches of ground clearance, and this makes it ideal for working on the cars with a low ground clearance since you will have enough space. The body fitting design is well thought out as it will deliver optimum comfort for mechanics. Also, the plastic non-cushion platform is very easy to clean and is resistant to fuel, grease and solvents for easy maintenance. Third in line is the Omega 91452. The frame on the Omega's 91452 is supported by 6 3-inch polyurethane oil-resistant swivel casters when fully spread out and can be folded into a Z shape running on 4 wheels to create a mechanic seat, which is ideal for working along the sides of the car. With a weight capacity rating of 450 pounds, it can carry a seriously heavy mechanic with ease. This is made possible by a heavy-duty powder-coated steel frame construction, which is very sturdy. The creeper has a low-profile design, and this gives you enough space to work on your car even if it has a small ground clearance. Fourth on the list is the ProLift C20360. Bearing the same foldable Z design as the 91452 above, this unit from ProLift is surprisingly very affordable, making it a good option if you are on a tight budget. Also, this is a versatile 2-in-1 floor creeper that will also work well as a mechanic seat and hence making it highly useful in the garage, and it is the kind of thing you can almost be certain you will use often. This creeper has thick padded cushions that make both lying and sitting on very comfortable. Last but not least is the Big Red TR6452. Torin's TR6452 is designed to make your working posture more comfortable by having an adjustable headrest, which can be raised to 4 different positions. This headrest and the entire section of the 40-inch creeper is thickly padded, and this ensures you get a comfortable platform to lie on as you carry out repairs underneath the car. The entire padded platform is held in place by a sturdy all-steel frame, which has 6 swivel casters spaced out on the front, center and back for balanced support and easy movement. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.